So I was actually Camila's mentor, and she is a lady of many talents. She is actually also in orchestra and plays the violin amazingly. She also likes fruit smoothies from Whole Foods, I can say that for sure. But I think what really struck me about Camila is she was really interested in tackling difficult problems and solving really complex challenges. She's a very analytical thinker, so I was really interested when she wanted to learn more about web development and build a website together, so that's what we did. And with no further ado, I'm going to have Camila come up here.
Hi, my name is Camila C, and I'm in 6th grade. So my mentor was Cher, and she is a web developer, and she got her bachelor's from St. Edward's. Her hobbies are drinking coffee and going to tech meetups, and we got matched because I was interested in learning more about web development. So my project is about two of my interests combined, and that's climate change and web development. Climate change is interesting to me because it's changing animals and plants' lives and it's impacting the planet. And web development is interesting because it's something new, fun, and gets to solve problems. So my project, when we started, we just built the framework for the website with HTML and CSS. The midpoint shows beginnings of the website, and then our final project incorporated JavaScript, and we added more content and features to it. Oh. So we used a lot of resources. So we used Codecademy, Cher S, and Free Codecamp. When this chart represents an important part of the story about climate change, it shows anomaly between temperature from 1900 to 2018. Anomaly means something different from what is normal. The higher the anomaly means the warmer the climate. That's sorry. So how do we create this chart? We used Chartist.js, and it let me create a variable, set values in arrays, and create a line chart object passing through a container element, data, and size. We used Free Codecamp tutorial to create a functionality with the button. In this box, you click the button to get suggestions on how to help the planet. And we created a button element with an onClick attribute and a function passing through that. An onClick is an event handler that tells the browser to do something when clicked. So my magical experience, what I enjoyed about the magic experience is that I got to learn more than just basic HTML and CSS. I also got to learn JavaScript. And I think STEM is really fun to do and something everybody should learn more about. So, so it's a little bit simple because when we started this, we had technology issues. So, kind of tells everything about it. And there's a chart that we built, and it shows anomaly. And there's a difference between climate and weather because some students get confused. And then there's why should we care, and what does it mean? Identifying causes of climate change. And then there's a box, and if you click it, there's some suggestions. Yeah. Thank you.